Welcome back, guys. In this video I will be focusing on mirror. How to mirror an object in AutoCAD, of course. Mirror is basically a reflection or a second copy of the original drawing or object at a specific distance on the other side. Two important things that we need to appreciate about mirror is that a mirror has a mirror line, M1 and M2. This can be in the form of a pronounced line, or it could be two imaginary points. It could be a line or M1, M2. Something else that we need to be aware of is that when you're mirroring the object, at the end, you will be asked if you want to keep the source or erase the source. If you do not specify, what you find is that the original will disappear. So be mindful of that. Once that mirror has been created and you click enter, you must check to ensure that you click no, I do not wish to erase the source object. Now, that said, let's get into this. How do we mirror this object to some place over here? By now you should realize that Sir only uses shortcut keys. Yes, I honestly do not know or do not remember those icons on the ribbon per se. I don't. These are too easy and convenient. MI mirror. So first you would type MI for mirror, followed by the enter key or the space bar. Next, the command bar will change. You will see mirror here. It will then say select objects to be mirrored. I will then left click here, drag left click here to create a window around this object. This will then turn blue. After this object turns blue, this will still ask you to select the object. After that, you'll need to click the enter sign to tell the computer that, look, this highlighted object is really the object that I wish to mirror. Okay, so a highlighted object is not a selected object until the command bar has changed from select object to mirror point. The command bar will then say specify the first mirror point. What is the mirror point basically? The mirror points are distance from the drawing that you wish to produce the reflection. In this case, this is my mirror distance. So I would like this to be mirrored on the side at this distance apart from this line. All right. Something that you must be aware of is that if from here to here is say 20, this point will be created 20 millimeters on this side if this is A. In like manner, if this point is B, the mirror point will be created 20 millimeters from this. So here will be there. This point C would have been created this distance from the mirror line, which would give something looking like this. All right. So it is important to note. If you wish for this object to be reproduced right here, you would then choose this and that point as a mirror line. Something that you need to know. Right? Capiche? Capiche. Now that I have selected the object, so I type MI, press enter key, select object, then press enter. I'm now at a point where I'm required to select my first mirror point. Now I click here for M1. It will then ask you to select a second mirror point. Now, if you want this to be aligned horizontally, my advice to you is to turn this on orthogonal mode. What this does, this allows the line to be drawn perfectly vertical. Yeah. So you just bring your crosshair down to the status bar, left click on this icon to get your line vertical. Alright. Remember now that this command, this icon, restricts the crosshair only to the vertical and horizontal axis. Alright. With that being said, our next point is to click anywhere down here within this vertical line to get our second mirror point. At this point, you will see the object start to form on this side. Start to form. Now, once you left click, it will ask you, should I erase the source object? Yes or no. If you do not specify by pressing the enter key, this will disappear and that will stay. And you'll be there wondering, what is the problem? Why is this thing not mirroring? Thing is, you did not tell the computer that, look, keep this one. No, don't erase it. So remember, once you click enter, you must click the enter key. You must click on the no, do not erase the source if you want to keep both of them. Alright, so that's basically that for mirroring. Pretty simple. Two or three things that you need to be mindful of. That where you place the mirror point will determine where the other object is formed. If I place you as one mirror point, second mirror point, the object will be formed here. Yeah. If I use here as the mirror point, if I choose here as a mirror point, M1, M2, these will be perpendicular to that. So this will be the same alignment. Same alignment. Something of that sort. But this distance will be maintained. This distance here will be maintained there. Everything. So it will be basically a flip. In other words, it will be pretty much of this being flipped like that. Yeah? To get that mirror. Capiche? Capiche. Remember now, like, subscribe, share. Alright? Again, you don't need to be good to start, but you must start to be good. For AutoCAD, you have to practice. Practice, practice, practice. And guess what? Watch my videos. You can't go wrong. Of course, drop me a comment if there is something specific that you want to see me cover. Alright? Peace out.